morning po mga best friend. Sa ngayon po, ito po ang ating mga niluluto. It's mga, hindi mga. Siya nga pala guys, ito yung ating, ito yung special, this is my special menu for pork. So, ito yung first time kong ginawa na this is my first time cooking braised pork with apple and sultanas. So, ito yung apple guys. Oh. Yan. So, ito yung leftover pork. Tapos, I slice them. Nilagyan natin siya ng garlic, onion, some soy sauce, of course, brown sugar, vinegar, and ano pa? Black pepper, vegeta. Yes, mga friends. So, hintayin natin itong ating apple na I want the apple is tender. Then, i-fleck natin guys para yung mo-penetrate yung savoriness. Nilagyan din natin siya guys ng ginger. So, yun ang ating pork. Braised pork with apple. So, thank you for watching everybody. And I hope everyone is good and safe. Be more kinder and stay safe. Bye!